In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your spreadsheet data into Notion fast. By the end, you'll have your rows and columns neatly organized in a Notion database without any tedious manual copying. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. This fresh page will become the home for your imported database. Give it a clear name now or rename it later. Either way, it's just the container for what you're about to bring in. Next, look to the top right of the page and open the menu with the three dots. This is where Notion keeps page-level actions and tools. From that menu, choose Import. Notion supports several sources, but for spreadsheet data, the fastest and most reliable path is a CSV file. If your data currently lives in Excel or Google Sheets, export it as a CSV first. A quick tip before you import: make sure the first row of your CSV contains clean, human-friendly headers like name, status, due date, or cost. Those headers will become your Notion property names and save you time later. Choose a file and select your CSV. Notion will scan it and then offer you a chance to map the CSV headers. This mapping step is where you tell Notion what each column represents. Confirm which column should become the title property. Every Notion database needs exactly one title, usually something uniquely identifying like project or task. For the other columns, assign the most accurate property types. Use text for free-form notes, number for quantities or currency, date for deadlines, email and URL for contact fields, and select or multi-select for categories and tags. If you have true or false data, map it to checkbox. Matching types at this stage helps Notion format and sort your data correctly from the start. If dates don't look right, make sure your CSV used a consistent format, like year, month, day. When everything looks good, click Import CSV. Notion will build a database on your page using the columns and types you selected. Large files may take a moment, so give it a second to finish. Once it loads, scan the top few rows to confirm values landed in the right columns. You can still tweak property types after importing if you need to, and Notion will convert values when possible. From here, you can add filters, sorts, and views to analyze your data, but your import is complete. That's it. You created a page, opened the menu, chose Import, picked your CSV, mapped the headers, and imported. With this workflow, you'll move from spreadsheets to a functional Notion database in just minutes.